right, let's run through perspective wheel construction. When you're doing a wheel in perspective, it's an easy thing to look off and sometimes difficult to know why. So we're gonna do a box to work inside of. Right, that's just one side of our isometric box. We could also go ahead and give it some thickness, maybe the thickness of our tire here. Might even help to just ghost in the hidden lines there, right, the back side of that, so we know what kind of frame we're working with. Now ultimately, you're just gonna want a wheel that you're gonna draw on that, or in a foreshortened circle that's gonna fit in that box. But where it fits in there sometimes is difficult to understand. As you do more of them, I think you get more of just a feel for it, but there's a mechanical way to construct it, right? Which is to go diagonal to diagonal, right? That helps you find where the center point is, both vertically and horizontally, right? And those tangent points are what you care about, right? Because that's where your wheel is going to find itself. You can do the same thing on the back side, right? Diagonal, diagonal, vertical, horizontal, find the tangent points. And then we're going to again work off the tangent here to figure out where that wheel connects. We can do a box inside of this. Again, we've already got the tangents to figure out where's that wheel center go. And then you sort of, again, can just start playing off what's already there to figure out extra details to it. So I'm going to lock in these lines here. Kind of work along the contour for some shading. Same thing maybe in here. And then give ourselves a little bit of a extra silhouette line. Right, and again, extra details if you want. Fancier hubcaps. Have at it. Oh, and a little bit of, again, top left lighting, so maybe a little. This would be technically 2 foreshortened circles connected on the ground, so somewhere around there for our shadow. A little darker, closer it gets to the wheel, fading away. And then maybe just to help get rid of that sketch line there, we'll add a little extra shading over here just to help that fill out. All right, and that's how we construct a tire.